everyone, my name is Kelly and today I will be showing you how I make a DIY planter. I love plants. I love to have plants all over my room. I have them hanging on shelves everywhere. So I saw this idea originally on Instagram. I lost the account. I didn't save it, so I don't know what account to attribute to this idea, but you know, there's one out there, shout out. And pretty much it's a DIY planter. You're gonna see it's super cute, very boho. I've seen this on like Urban Outfitters Home and like CB2 and things like that, and I really like it. However, theirs are starting at like $79, which a girl don't have to spend on plants. So now I'm gonna make my own. I've been wanting to try this idea for like a really long time, so I'm happy I have an excuse to now, and hopefully I can show you guys how I do it. I will be showing you the materials that I use as well as the step-by-step to achieve like what we want. I hope that you guys can, you know, get some ideas from this, feel confident to do a DIY. You know, things are easy, and at the end of the day, I just hope I can save you a few bucks. Overall, this project cost me no more than like $13, I want to say. And time-wise, you'll kind of see, but it doesn't take too long. I just don't really know how to use power tools. Bye, let's get to the video. Okay, let's get started. This is what we'll need: a plant, a drill, leg plates, screws, legs, a wooden plate, and a basket. The first step to making the planter is taking your wood plate, grabbing your basket, and putting your wood plate inside your basket, okay? Now I'm flipping it over. Now it's upside down. I am taking my first wood plate, placing it here. I will now be screwing it in, hopefully a little bit less insanely. Okay. Taking the next screw, putting it right there. Step number 2 is taking your legs and screwing them on. To step number 3, where we flip it over, prop it up. All right. Now my basket's a little sad, so I'm hoping the plant that I'm choosing is this beautiful plant. Her name is Octavia, and I put her in there like that. She already has a pot where I water and such, because we don't want to get the pot wet, okay? And I just wanted to go ahead and show you step number 4, where I place my plant exactly where I want it. Through this process, I showed you guys how to make a planter by yourself. I just bought the legs, the leg plates, and the planter, as well as the plant that I happen to already have, but I know you can get plants for a very decent price nowadays. So this is how you make a planter, and I really hope you go out and try it yourself. It is a very easy process, no more than 20 minutes.